So for part A, effect of water, these three videos of student models on the effect of water mostly demonstrate the water content's relationship with the angle of slope. They first build a bunch of sand without water in 30 degrees, and then add 50 ml water to make 85 degrees, and they add 50 more ml water, and they got maximum degree of 90 degrees. Moreover, after 250 ml water, the sand is too wet to hold the degree, and that's the reason to cause a landslide. Even they build sand in different ml, but they have a similar result that after the amount of water content, sand will be too flexible to hold together. The dryness will get tight, but after an amount of water increase, the sand will slowly lose its viscidity and they will not formally structure anymore. For part B, effect of particle shape. In the second part, students explain the particle shape of sand and rock will influence the slope. A result is apparently that smaller pasta will cause smaller slope around the 25-degree angle of repose. Moreover, bigger pasta equal to bigger slope around 40-degree angle. In one of the students' videos, they talk about the structure between pasta will help them bond them together tighter because they have a different shape to interlock better. Otherwise, the smaller pasta or rock have a loose structure because they don't have enough particle shape to bond each other. In conclusion, the particle shape will influence the stability of sand that bigger rock will be more stable than smaller rock. And for part C, 3 groups observation. In the third part, students display the soil creep. So a stable hillside, the tree root is straight because the soil ground didn't move. And unstable hillside, we will see the root is not straight, but tree needs to grow straight forward to get more sunray. So the root of the tree will have some G-shape itself upwards to keep them straight. In this case, the soil has moved because of a natural disaster. So I find the slope in the Oxford and I say the slope is stable based on my study on part A, B, C. First of all, the effect of water has no significant influence. In here, because it's a park, and near the slope, I didn't see any significant amount of water to affect the soil construction. And the soil looks moisture because of rain yesterday, so soil can well bond the structure together and hold the angle so far. Secondly, the particle shape of rock is small, but it constructed a shape angle of almost 45 degrees. However, I don't know what kind of rock it should be, and visually it doesn't have larger particle construction. Finally, the tree is growing straightforward. That means this area hasn't experienced any natural disaster in a long time, and the soil hasn't moved. In the sense of all the observation and exploration, I can conclude that this slope is pretty stable so far, but if we are going to experience a long time rain season, it will have a possibility to cause a series of small landslide problems.